Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Luvme here once more. It's the same packaging as before. You know, they always put their little bow on the box. I'll give it that nice feeling like it's a gift. So I opened the box and I'm seeing the wig here. And then I got this drawstring bag branded Luvme. I also got, you know, the usual goodie bag and a pair of wig cap in the back. So let's see what's in this little bag. I got a scarf. They love sending me these handy dandy mirrors. Yes, it comes in this little pouch thing that says Luvme. Perfect to put in your purse. And I got an edge brush and comb. Lastly, in this box, this is like a guide that has how to carry a wig. You know, a lot of these wig packages always come with this, so that's nice. And then we got this beauty on the front. It's really nice. And that's everything in the box for today's package. So, wig that I have today, guys, is the ultra full undetectable invisible lace side part bob. Okay, it's classic and chic. As you can see, it's a really nice flowy bob. So when you look on the inside of the cap, it gives that vibe like it's a closure. But like where they really apply the lace is in the area that you do your side part. So like you can see that, right? They gave it like that little curve and everything. It looks really good. The knots are already pre-bleached and tinted, and it looks very, very nice. So I believe this is 10 inches long, very silky, very smooth. Love it. This is how the part looks. So see, it has that. Oh, by the way, if you're hearing the clicking, it's my lens, guys. I need to replace my mic, so I'll be doing that soon. But yes, so sorry about that. But yes, so this is how the parting looks. Very natural looking. And this wig is also glueless, so you feel free to go ahead and you don't have to use glue to install this. It's a great lace to melt down, like, you know, it's a really nice undetectable lace, so I love that. And on the inside of the cap also has a extra elastic band for more security. So, you know, if you want to wear it glueless, you definitely can. And in the back here, we have adjustable straps, as well as 3 combs on the inside. So that's how that looks. Look at that. It's also of a 1B color, as you guys can see. So it looks super, super natural. So I just use the extra elastic band on the inside to apply that. Now, once I apply this to my head, guys, oh my gosh, this is super snugged. I don't know if it's because I decided to go ahead and use the elastic band or what, but oh my gosh, it's so flat. Like, I'm pretty sure you can see that on camera. That's so nice. It's luscious. Like, I'm not sure if you can tell by the luster. Yes. Okay, so if you notice, they really just did like a 1-inch kind of spacing. For the rest of the lace, it's like not a full-on lace closure, it's a lace side part. So they didn't put like free parting space right across the portion here that you're seeing lace in the front, as I showed you inside of the cap. So yeah, it looks natural still, but it's less lace. So that means it's definitely more affordable than your average lace closure or lace front wig, but it's still giving as if you're wearing a lace closure or a lace front wig. So that's really nice. So you know what I'm gonna actually do? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my hot comb, which is already heated up, right? And my flat iron, and I'm just gonna run through it to get it super silky and buttery. But before I do that, I'm going to do this completely glueless today, okay? I'm gonna wear this wig completely glueless for you guys to show that you don't need You don't need any form of adhesive or glue, but if you want to use a little got to be, you can go ahead. You know, if you want to glue it, you can go ahead, but I just want to give you guys the easy option of not having to feel the pressure to use any form of product. So I'm just gonna cut away. You can't tell, you really cannot see any lace there, so that looks good. I'm gonna just take my time to go in and press this down. And what I love is that it lays so flat. It doesn't look bulky and unrealistic, you know. This is giving more of like, you know, a classic flat sewing vibe. That's what this is giving me, you know, so I love that. So I'm just gonna run through this with my flat iron. Take my time. And this is so soft and extremely smooth. You know what this is giving? Look at that! Look at that! No man, it's nice. It's so nice. This is giving like them fresh relaxer. You know when, like, you remember when we used to get my fresh relaxer when I used to relax my hair and I would get that wrap to go to school tomorrow, like it would be like on 10. This, guys, look at that. No stiff bob. Never. No, that's not what we do. If your bob is not moving like this, you need to return it. No, that's a joke. Like, this is how, like, I love when my bob looks like this. This is what it needs to be giving. Butter. Nothing but what's flat, realistic. And let's not forget, this is glueless. Glueless. Yeah. 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 Absolutely no product. What? Super pretty. Super pretty. Shout out to Luvme here, because they did their thing. The parting, everything looks very realistic. The movement of his wig, the hair, luster, the texture, the feel, everything. It's giving. Okay, so I highly recommend this. If you're looking for a very convenient glueless strip bob, this is it. Affordable, this is it. So I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this bob if you want it. It will be in my description box, as well as all the specifications. Shout out to Luvme here once more for another bomb wig. It is giving. Okay? Yeah, and that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.